exerted by the liquid at the same time. So as you can see, I have a plastic bottle in my hand and it has two holes in it. So now I'm going Ishwar is going to pour the water into it and you're going to tell me that what you observe. So as you can see that the water came outside of the bottle at the same time and at the same pressure. So it shows that the liquid not only applied the pressure at the bottom of the container but also on the sides of the container. This law is also known as Pascal's law, and Pascal's law states that the pressure applied to confine a fluid is transmitted in every single direction. So now I would like to pass on the mic to my friend Isha to conduct the further experiment.
Hello everyone, I am Isha of grade 8 and I am here to show you another experiment on how oxygen is important for combustion to take place. So now, take a candle first, place it on a flat stable surface and then light the candle and put a transparent inverted glass on the lighted candle. As you can see, when we will put the transparent inverted glass on the lighted candle, so now as you can see, after a short time of time, the flame of the lighted candle is getting extinguished. This happens because oxygen is vital for combustion. The flame will eventually go out as it contains a limited amount of oxygen inside it, proving that supply of oxygen is necessary for burning. A combustion is a chemical reaction process which reacts with a fuel and releases energy as heat and light. A combustion needs three things to be present: a heat source, a combustible substance, and an oxidizer. If we will remove any one of these, the combustion will not take place and it will go down. So by this only we came to know and learn that why oxygen is important for combustion to take place.